What if your car could brake faster than you? Automatic emergency braking systems can detect danger and stop the vehicle before an accident happens. But how does your car know when to intervene? The answer lies in two critical components, a front camera and a radar sensor. Together, they continuously monitor the road and make life-saving decisions in milliseconds. The first critical component of an automatic emergency braking system is the front camera. Usually mounted behind the rearview mirror, this camera acts as the vehicle's eyes. It continuously analyzes the road ahead, identifying cars, pedestrians, cyclists, and lane markings in real time. Using advanced image processing algorithms, the system can understand what is happening around the vehicle and predict potential dangers before the driver even notices them. But a camera alone isn't enough. That's where the radar sensor comes into play. The second key component is the front radar sensor, typically hidden behind the vehicle's front grille. Unlike cameras, radar uses electromagnetic waves to measure the exact distance, speed, and movement of objects ahead. It works reliably at night, in heavy rain, fog, and other challenging conditions where human vision can be limited. The system constantly calculates how quickly your vehicle is approaching the object in front and determines whether a collision is likely to happen. By combining radar data with the front camera, the car can make fast and accurate braking decisions in just milliseconds. And that's the incredible engineering behind automatic emergency braking systems. Modern vehicles use cameras, radar, and intelligent software to react faster than humans and make our roads safer every day. If you enjoy discovering the hidden technology behind the machines we use, subscribe to The Edge of Engineering and join us for more amazing engineering stories and innovations.